this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to connect any headset to your Xbox Live Party Chat. So if you're using like an Xbox Series X or something like that, and you try adding like your PlayStation 5 headset, well, it's not going to work. But what you could do is go to your mobile phone. Now, most people will have like a tablet or something laying around, or a mobile device. And what you want to do is connect your headset to your phone and then join the Xbox Party Chat. So I can literally connect my PlayStation headset to this phone, and there's a couple different ways that you could do this. You could do it with like a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack or something like this if it has that ability. So this one does right on the bottom, so I can just use this cable to connect it to my headset. Otherwise, if you have Bluetooth, what you can do is just scroll on down from the top, just like this. Go to Bluetooth and hold down on it. And this should open up the Bluetooth page. And scan for the devices on the top. And go down to the bottom and look for available devices. Just make sure your Bluetooth headset is in pairing mode. And then you should be able to connect it. Now another thing that you could try is like this OTG adapter. This will take a USB-C to a USB, and then I can plug in the Bluetooth dongle for my headset, and I can turn it on, and I can connect it to my phone via that method. I do this sometimes when I'm at the gym or something with my PS5 headset, since this one doesn't have Bluetooth. So once you get your phone connected, make sure you have the Xbox app on your phone. Just go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and type in Xbox and get that app. So let's open it up now. And we go to our friends list on the bottom and then go up to parties. And then we can start a party. You can skip it and you can add whoever you want. Now, when I speak on my headset, it's going to go ahead and work in the app. So let's just go upright. So I'm in an Xbox Party Chat with my PlayStation 5 headset that's connected to my phone. And it's very easy to go ahead and do that. It'll be like the same thing. Otherwise, you can literally do this from your PC. So if you got your computer next to you, just connect via Bluetooth, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.